everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to walk you through how to activate Windows. And there are two primary ways to activate your Windows. The first one is by using a product key and the second is by using a digital license. Now I'm going to start using a product key. Now you have to locate a product key. In case you're wondering, product key is a 25-character code that you typically find on a sticker attached to your computer or in the packaging. So it is attached to the computer or in the packaging. Now, in case you don't have that, you can get it from your PC. How? By pressing the Windows key and I key to open up your settings, and then from here click on Update and Security. Then from the left menu over here, click on Activation, and as you can see, Product Key. So the next thing you're going to do is click on Change Product Key. And then your product key should be in an email from whoever sold or distributed the Windows to you, or in the box the Windows DVD or USB came in. Now you have to put in the product key. So after entering your product key, you click on Next. It's as simple as that. Now that is how to activate your window using the product key. The second method is by using a digital license. Now let's go to that. Now you have to link your Microsoft account. If you purchase Windows directly from a Microsoft or through a retailer, your license might be linked to your Microsoft account. So how do you find it? Open Settings, press Windows and the I key again. Then bring back to Settings, click on Update and Security, click on Troubleshoot. Okay, let's do activation first. Then let's see, is it troubleshooting activation? No. So click on, let's go back here and click on troubleshoot on the left side. And then when you click on troubleshoot, follow the instructions to activate using your Microsoft account. Let's see. There's no recommended troubleshooting now. So let's go back to activation. And you can see I don't have troubleshoot here because I'm using Windows 10. But by using Windows 11, you should see the option for troubleshoot. And then you click on it and follow the on-screen instructions to activate your Microsoft account. Now, to do any of this, please make sure that you have an internet connection that is very, very good, a good internet connection. And then if you reinstall Windows, you might need to reactivate it using the same method. If by any means you've reinstalled your Windows and you installed it again, what I mean is that you uninstalled the Windows and you reinstalled it, you will have to reactivate using the same process. The next one, sometimes significant hardware changes like replacing the motherboard might also require you to reactivate your Windows. Now if you encounter issues, make sure you check for error messages. This can provide clues about the problem, and then visit Microsoft's support websites where you can find troubleshooting steps and contact support if needed. Hope you found this video helpful on how to activate Windows. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.